Hello? Harper. Harper? That's you! My happy little Harper. Bye, honey. Harper. Where are you? Oh! Did you find something in the bathroom? I like your hairdo. Yeah, it's very cute. And I also love you. I love you. Ooh, what a funky bag. Thanks, Harps. Where are we going?
Up.
Harper. Oh, a dirty sponge.